Food inflation. Food inflation means the rise in prices of food items over time. When the cost of essentials like rice, wheat, vegetables, fruits, milk, or pulses increases, consumers must spend more money for the same quantity. This sustained increase in food prices is called food inflation. Why does food inflation happen? 1. Supply shortages. Poor monsoon, drought, floods, crop diseases, or natural disasters reduce supply. When supply falls and demand remains the same, prices rise. 2. Increasing demand. Population growth increases the demand for food. Rising incomes lead people to buy more nutritious or high-value foods, milk, meat, fruits, pushing prices up. 3. Higher input costs. When the cost of seeds, fertilizers, diesel, electricity, labor or transportation rises, farmers and suppliers increase food prices. 4. Middlemen and distribution issues. Multiple layers in the supply chain add margins. Poor storage and transportation lead to wastage, reducing available supply and raising prices. 5. Global factors. Rising global prices of wheat, edible oil, or pulses affect local prices. Import restrictions, wars, or international trade disruptions can raise food prices. 6. Government policies. Changes in minimum support price (MSP), export bans, or stock limits influence prices. Subsidy reduction or changes in GST also affect food costs. Effects of food inflation. 1. Reduced purchasing power. People have to spend a larger share of their income on food, leaving less money for other needs. 2. Impact on poor and middle class. Low-income households suffer the most because food is the biggest part of their budget. 3. Increased cost of living. Higher food prices increase overall inflation, CPI, affecting the economy. 4. Pressure on government. Governments may need to increase subsidies, release buffer stocks, or take corrective measures to control prices. How to control food inflation? 1. Improve supply. Promote irrigation, cold storage, warehouses, and better logistics. Encourage farmers with better technology and crop insurance. 2. Manage imports and exports. Import essential items when shortage occurs. Restrict exports temporarily to stabilize domestic prices. 3. Reduce middlemen. Strengthen farmer-to-consumer direct sales (FPOs), ENOM, cooperatives. 4. Improve distribution. Use ration shops, buffer stocks, and government schemes to release stock into the market. 5. Monitor hoarding. Prevent traders from holding large stocks and creating artificial scarcity. Simple summary. Food inflation happens when food becomes costlier because of low supply, high demand, increased farming costs, or global price changes. It affects households, especially the poor, and increases overall inflation. Governments control food inflation through better farming support, imports, stock management,